Alright guys, the first thing you want to do is undo your water line here. I loosened it up real quick. I'm gonna have to cut the pipe right here because this is the old dishwasher line here, which is soldered in, but they make new lines that'll connect to this new compression fitting I'm gonna put on here. Make sure you have a bowl underneath here to catch all the water just in case there is some left. There shouldn't be much. You can see there ain't much coming out. So, all right, I put my pipe cutter here, and basically you just tighten it down and you turn it, and then as you cut more and more into the pipe, you're gonna have to tighten it down again right here on this knob here, and just keep turning, and then eventually the pipe will cut off. You can hear it dripping here, dripping. Alright guys, this is the compression fitting here. It's got two outlets. One's going to go to my faucet. This other side that's coming down is going to go down to my dishwasher. The first thing you want to do is slide your nut onto the pipe. And then you're going to slide this little flange copper sleeve on here, just like that. And then the big side of your compression fitting goes right over top of that. And then you tighten your nut down as much as you can before you want to use a wrench. And that's pretty much it, guys. You're gonna re-hook up your water line to your sink here. Normally it only has one outlet, but it's all the same concept.